So what you need to do is take the swirl flap actuator motor off, which is number 3. There are loads of videos online of how to do this because a lot of people do swirl flap deletes, but I don't want to do that. And where the red arrow is pretty much shows where the swirl flap rod is, and there's a little rubber gasket that sits in there, an O-ring. It's not a replaceable part, it doesn't exist on any parts list, but I figured out a way to fix it, and I've had this on the car now for about 15,000 miles and no issues. So here we go. So here's the issue. You can see that is just so loose now. So let's see what I can do. Okay, so what I've done is the shrink wrap. This bit is too tight with it on. It won't slide on, so there's no shrink wrap under there. So I put the plastic washer on first, double shrink wrap, and then placing the rubber gasket on. I think that's pretty snug, and hopefully it won't get sucked into the intake. Let's give that a go.